Well, we've all been there, driving along peacefully when a glance in the rear-view mirror reveals another motorist tailgating uncomfortably close. For a Richmond man, one such encounter turned aggressive, complete with high-beam flashes and angry yelling. And thanks to a dashboard camera, the entire episode of road rage was caught on tape. Jesse Johnston has the story.
Christmas Eve on the road in Richmond. The driver behind the wheel in this video was on his way to a friend's house. Then another driver started riding his tail. At first, he didn't think much of it.
And at that point I figured, you know what, if you're gonna tailgate me, I'm gonna slow down to the speed limit. So I started going 50 kilometers an hour, and this is when the guy got really mad. So he started flicking his high beams at me and following me even closer.
Sean doesn't want his last name used or his face shown because he's scared. He tried to pull over and let the other driver pass, but it quickly became clear that wasn't going to happen. His dashboard camera was rolling the whole time.
My first thought was, okay, this guy's probably in a rush. And after I tried pulling over and he did not attempt to pass me, that's when I realized this guy was looking for a fight rather than just being in a rush.
The whole ordeal started here on number 3 Road in Williams, and the pursuit lasted for several minutes until finally Sean pulled out his phone to call 911, and that's what made the other driver take off. This is just another day at the office for Sean. He installed cameras in his car 4 years ago after he got into a crash and couldn't prove he wasn't at fault. Now he takes his videos, ranging from funny to downright frightening, and posts them on YouTube under the name XSupaD.
I kind of want to see this as a way of trying to educate people and let them know, that bad driving exists in Greater Vancouver, and hopefully they can watch the videos and not make the same mistakes themselves.
Sean isn't alone. This man, who sells dashboard cameras, says their popularity has gone through the roof since they were introduced to Canada.
I can certainly say, comparing it to the last 3 years, this year has been like a huge jump in the demand of the dashcam, and people seem to understand more.
911, please, fire ambulance.
Sean has filed a police report and plans on handing his video over to the police. RCMP say in a case like this, the best thing to do is call 911 and then drive straight to the police station. Jesse Johnston, CBC News, Richmond.